The two assessment tools I chose today is GameKick and Nearpod. I chose GameKick because I have heard that the students really enjoyed playing this game as an assessment tool. The other teachers that have used it before said they have not seen their students so excited to play and learn in a long time. I also chose Nearpod because my husband, which is a teacher also at Teasley Middle School, has told me a lot of good things about it, like how the students rather do Nearpod than take notes. How is Nearpod and GameKick similar? They both are learning assessment tools that the students enjoy doing instead of doing the traditional way, paper and pencil. How is Nearpod and GameKick different? Nearpod is a way the students can take notes without getting paper and pencil out, whereas GameKick is a tool where students play a game to review material already taught. Nearpod can be used in my classroom to introduce new material. For example, right now we are talking about forces in motion. And instead of having the students take notes over forces in motion, I would create a Nearpod for them to be able to access and learn the material. Nearpod is not only used to introduce new material, it can also be used to review material. In Nearpod, you can play games, matching, fill in the blank, multiple choice. GameKick can be used in my classroom at the end of the force unit by reviewing all the material that the students learned prior to. I could also use GameKick when we finish a lesson early. So if we finish forces, let's say early one day, they could play GameKick in order to compete against each other to see what materials they have learned so far. GameKick can be beneficial to students because it will make the students want to learn, want to come to school, and want to do play games to learn. They will also want to play the game several times, and if a student plays it several times, they're still learning. While they are playing, as I said, they're still learning. Nearpod can be beneficial to students because they might not get bored while taking notes. As you probably know, a lot of students say, we got to do notes again. We've already done notes. We've done notes several times this week. So instead of having them copy paper and pencil, you could actually have them do a Nearpod, and maybe they won't get so bored about it. They will also want to learn because they are not just copying things down, they're actually getting to collaborate or compete with their classmates. They have a collaboration board that you can do, and you can see other students and what they copy or what they type, sorry. They can also compete. There's a game on there, Race to Finish or Race to Win, and they compete with their classmates on who can get it the fastest. So that's about my two assessment tools that I would choose, GameKick and Nearpod. Thanks. Have a great day.